Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1076 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have this mascara to try out. It's from the brand Elizabeth Mott, which I don't think I've tried any products from the brand Elizabeth Mott, and it's the It's So Big Volumizing Mascara. And I actually got this in my December 2020 BoxyCharm Premium box, which I got so late, so I'm still trying out the products. But I love trying out mascaras. I'm so picky about my mascaras and how my lashes look, but this sounds like it's something I should love. It's a tubing mascara that's supposed to give mega volume, long lash, max curl. It's cruelty-free and has a retail value of $20. So let's see. Curious what the applicator is going to look like. Oh, I like this. It's kind of unique, a little bit like hourglass shaped, but not too long, and it does have the brush type of bristles. This is how that looks. It seems like it might be small enough that I can still use it on those lower lashes, but not too small. So I'm going to start out with applying it to one of my eyes, and we'll see how it does. It seems a little bit gloopy when I apply a little bit too much, like it kind of gathered at the top of the applicator. And when it applies, like it's not like a moussey formula. It's kind of gloopy. And it doesn't seem to be super black, but that could build up. But uh-oh, even with just this one thin layer, pretty much, the lashes are already starting to stick together. And something I really look for in my mascara is for the lashes to stay separated and fanned out. So hopefully this doesn't make the lashes clump too much. But while I let that first layer set, I'm gonna go ahead and try this on the lower lashes. I do like this wand for those lower lashes. It's not too messy. And I feel like I can really coat all of those lower lashes. So I actually like this a lot as a lower lash mascara. And it's kind of hard for me to find a lower lash mascara that I like. All right, let's see if I can hopefully build up this volume. One thing I am noticing that's really good about this is that it's really lengthening, because it completely coats the lashes all the way to the tip. And that could be because of that tubing formula, but I really like the look of how long my lashes are, but it's really not looking super volumized, especially because the lashes are sticking together and not staying fanned out. Like, I have spent a while sitting here layering it up, and other mascaras would be way more volumized at this point. Like, this just takes way too long to build up. I feel like you can barely even see my lashes still. And I did get some mascara on my eyelid, but I like the shape of this wand. But I don't know, I just don't think this is very impressive. And $20 is expensive, especially when you can get some amazing drugstore mascaras. Like, a mascara has to really be worth the $20. And right now, I would say that this is not. So I'll go ahead and try it on my other eye. Since this is lengthening because of that tubing effect, I would probably use this with other mascaras and layer it up with a different mascara that has more volume to it, because this gives that length, but it doesn't give the lashes that dark of a color, and it doesn't give much volume. The formula just kind of seems sticky. Like, how I was saying it's kind of gloopy. Like it's a little bit hard to brush the wand through the lashes. Like they kind of like are sticky and a little bit like a heavier mascara is how it seems. I just want to give this a fair chance, so I'm going to go in with even more just to see if it really can give the volume that it claims. I don't know, I just don't feel like it builds up well. Like it's still not even really getting that volumized. And it's just making the lashes stick together more and more and starting to get a little bit crumbly, so I can't even really layer it up anymore. It really is just so interesting how different mascaras can be. I always want to love a mascara, and then when I don't, I'm always disappointed. But so the lashes, they look okay, they just are not amazing, and I've tried out so many amazing mascaras at this point that I don't want to waste my time and my money on a mascara that to me is not amazing. But I'm very curious to know in the comments down below your thoughts on the Elizabeth Mott It's So Big Volumizing Mascara. The name, the fact that they even call it volumizing mascara, that's why I feel disappointed, because I feel misled, because it didn't do that. I would say that this is a lengthening mascara. If that's what they claimed that this was, I'd be pretty impressed with it because it did lengthen my lashes. But I feel like that's the best quality that I got from this. But oh well, at least now I know. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.